today I'm joined with my brother, Luke, and we are going to be doing something that we have not done on this channel before.
Make sure we use some slime.
We're going to be doing a slime review for the, what is this? Mega Slime and Putty Lab slimes that come in here. And Luke's going to open it for us. And we haven't really experienced this yet, so we're going to tell you everything, and we're going to give you a thumbs up, or a thumbs down, or a thumbs in the middle for if we think this is a good slime kit for people to buy. So, of course, you've got your care instructions here. You've got a magnet, and
You've got these
extraction.
We don't need those.
Yeah, probably not. Okay, so let's just give them all the slime first. So you have bouncing putty, snotty slime.
Ew.
I'm assuming that's a jiggly slime. Make your own slime that we tried making, but you know. Glow in the dark putty, magnetic putty, color changing putty, liquid slime, and fluffy slime. And then I think for the magnetic slime we have a magnet, and for the glow in the dark slime I'm assuming this is for, because it says to squeeze me and I'll blow black light for something, so I'm assuming that's what it's for. But I have a toothpick for stirring this, but right now let's just put all of this extra stuff away so we can check out the stuff. Slime first or putty first?
Slime first.
Okay.
Check out the
Fluffy slime.
The fluffy slime first.
Slime all this. The fluffy slime, let's feel it. Does it feel good?
Ooh, puffy.
Is it feel? Is this
It's wet. It's kind of wet.
Well, yeah, that's because it's new. It's very stretchy. It's very nice.
Whoa. Okay, put it back in here.
Not very good for bubble pops, but still.
Yeah.
Pokes?
Pokes.
Perfect.
Okay, our next slime could be liquid
slime.
See what this is all about.
This is, I'm going to dump this in, Luke, I'm going to dump this in your hands.
No. Is it wet?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, how about we just keep this one in the container?
No. Put it on the table.
No.
Why?
Because, oh my.
It's jiggly.
This
I'll
is
put it on
definitely
the top
a
of the
jiggly
lid. Put it
slime.
on the lid.
I'm just going to put this away because we know what this is.
It's really jiggly.
Really? That's definitely a jiggly liquid slime. Oh my!
Whoa! Oh my! And it stays in one piece. Look. Whoa! I caught it. Oh my! It's definitely a jiggly slime.
Okay, you can put it back in the container now. So we're gonna
Wait, I gotta wash my hands. This is wet. I'll do
Okay.
a medium thumbs for that slime.
Just because it's wet. It comes wet. I don't know why.
For the putty slime,
The next slime we have is the snotty slime.
It doesn't feel like snot.
Okay, let's see. Oh my.
What? Wait, let me feel this. Let me feel
Oh
it.
my goodness. Wait, hold on. Take it out of there. It does not feel like snot, but it smells like snot, which is kind of weird. Take it out of the container.
Whoa!
Does it feel good?
This is good for stretching. Like, look.
Can I do a poke test? Please.
Wait, let me poke this.
Don't put it on the
And-
table. I'll put it in here and poke it.
Is this like
Definitely good for pokes.
let's give that one a double thumbs up.
Double thumbs. And this one, just look at the stretch.
And you can even
Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's put
put
it
it
back
back in.
away.
Okay, now it's time to go with
Now,
putty.
oh wait, we have one more slime. The homemade slime.
It's called homemade.
They bring you ingredients. Is it good? Does it feel weird? You feel it.
It's like
You made it.
grains.
Ooh, it feels good. Take it out.
Definitely good for poking, but not
This
good
is
for
what they told us to
stretching.
make in the kit.
It's like brains.
Brain putty.
It's brain
Brain
putty.
putty.
Okay, let's go with the putty. So first, let's try the magnetic putty.
First, let's show them before we try the magnet test. So it comes in like this gray package. I did this one already. And if you here, I got it.
Well, there's one
I've got
spot
the
you're
nail.
supposed to open it. I know this. I know how these containers work.
Got it.
Okay.
So
Oh, there's a lot of it.
and it's putty, so it's not like poking or anything. It's like putty.
oh,
Pull it
wait,
out.
I can't. They gave us a lot. I might need to get I need a knife.
It does not come out. But I'm super excited because this magnet. Sorry, So this magnet is magnetic. It does magnet to all the containers. But you know what? This might help. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I think we've got it now. Wait, leave that for the other putties.
Okay. Leave this right to the other one.
Okay, do it together. So
here's
the magnetic putty.
It's you can't stretch it. You can't poke it like a.
But here's the magnet.
But here's the magnet test. Here's the test. Oh, it does.
It does.
It works, but not stretchy. So I'll give that a medium thumb. And in between. This
So
is
it works.
in between.
It definitely works.
It works with the magnet, but it's not that stickier. It's
The
not that
next
stickier.
putty we have is color changing putty.
Color
I'm
changing.
assuming it's like heat sense putty.
It might be light sense putty.
Oh,
Oh! Wait.
Alright, just we don't want to do that. You got it? Hey Dad, can you open this for us? My dad's gonna open it for us. But then that putty, and then we have bouncing putty and glow in the dark putty. So I'm excited. Doing it on putty containers, so it's pretty awesome.
Whoa, color changing putty is open.
Okay, so it's kind of like this gray teal color, kind of.
It's like cutting a pizza. Cutting putty pizza.
Okay, now you can probably peel it out. Okay, I got it. I didn't get to peel the last one, so.
He did. What was it?
The
Snotty?
magnet.
Oh, it didn't feel like anything that much.
So I think that all of them have like the same feeling consistency.
This one does not feel like magnetic. So they probably put magnetic like
Beads in it.
no, not beads, like the little like things you put fire to make it magnetical.
Alright, I think we got the majority. Oh my.
It's stretchy.
That's for sure.
No, good.
That can stay in there. It's a little bit stringy. Not that that bothers me, but oh my. Okay, stop. I got it.
Okay,
So
here it
it's
is.
a little bit stringy.
Like if I put it in my hands, it gets darker. But if I just let go of it, it gets bright, like this color. And then I put it in my hands. And see, it's like kind of silvery.
And you guys can see it's in the box. It's a little bit. Wait, we have to try and heat sense color thing. Oh, don't stretch it that much, please. Daddy doesn't like that.
The heat sense, like if I hold it in my hand for a while, I'm kind of. I can't wait for bouncing. Yeah, it kind of gets brighter, but there's nothing really special about it.
The next putty is bouncy putty.
Okay, so
Let's get this guy open.
bouncy putty, I got it. I know how to open this.
Right here. You got the muscle. Sorry, I'm just gonna try and open this one because. I got the glow in the dark putty.
Oh!
So here's bouncy putty. The container does bounce. We don't know if the putty does yet. We'll try. So. Yeah. Can you get it?
Yeah, I can.
Don't try and make it stringy because it got all in my hands. Okay. Don't make it stringy, please. Okay. So we got the bouncy putty. First, roll it up into a ball because we're gonna see if it bounces.
It's called bouncing putty, so it's the bouncy ball.
Here, can I do it?
It's not wet at all. It is good for poking. It's kind of stretchy, but it will break.
Here.
But let's roll this up into a ball.
It feels kind of like fluffy slime, but it's
It
bouncy.
does, but look. Wait, move. It bounces. It's like a bouncy ball. Sorry.
It definitely feels like fluffy slime, but
It does.
It's kind of feel like bubble gum actually.
It does. It kind of does, actually.
All right, and I pre-opened this one for us to get out of the container. So this is glow-in-the-dark putty. Now I have a feeling that's what the black light is.
Wait, what is, it's like,
So you squeeze it, I think, and it's a
wait,
black light.
let me turn the lights off. They're already off.
So right
Okay,
now it's just like this plain light because that's normally what a glow-in-the-dark thing
Yeah,
would be.
it is. Well, I don't know how this works. So, whoa.
Okay, so let's see. If maybe we shine this on there, it'll like glow. Okay, ready?
Okay, wait. If it glows, what can you do with this? Maybe this was for the color changing. Maybe.
Oh! Boom. That's what you guys
And then look.
definitely glows now.
Anywhere you have it, you can draw with it like a smiley face.
Subscribe, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Also, guys, we do recommend this kit. It's just when you do make the homemade putty, it's homemade slime. It's definitely more of a putty, and it's very watery, and it's not stretchy at all. It's more like a brain putty, so. Not really. It might actually bounce.
It's not that good slime.
But
This
we do
kit-
recommend.
This kit we recommend for you guys to get.
And tell us what your result for this slime ends up being.